we would like to present about our company, which is L'Oreal.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Izzati binti Muhammad Arshad. L'Oreal is a French cosmetic and personal care company and a leader in beauty product research and development and sales. L'Oreal is the world's largest cosmetics company. L'Oreal also has developed activities in the field concentrating on hair color, skincare, sun protection, makeup, perfume, and hair care.
Information flows. Information flows is a backward flow which is start from consumer, retailer, distributor, logistic, warehouse, manufacturer to supplier. Information flow is a store or distributor order to L'Oreal. This order is transmitted upstream in L'Oreal's supply chain with their supply chain that which drive production in factories. Then the physical flows, which is products are manufactured and then shipped from factory to customer through the supply chain from supplier, manufacturer, warehouse, logistic, distributor, retailer, and lastly the consumer.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Hidayah binti Muhammad Zamri. My matric number B0619100061. In my part, I will present about for the short description of supply chain structure. Supply chain structure. First is supplier. First tier supplier is L'Oreal Campus. The function created is to communicate with their supplier. Second tier supplier, what I found is supplier SIMW from Malaysia and Indonesia. SIMW is the one of the biggest company supply raw material such as palm oil to L'Oreal company. L'Oreal use 40% palm oil in making their product. Third tier supplier is from West Africa. Supplier Burkina Faso export raw materials such as shea nut and shea butter to L'Oreal. Shea nut and shea butter suitable for making moisturizer, cream, lotion, and other emulsion for skin and hair. Second point is logistic. At Muggenston, Germany, is logistics center of L'Oreal. This logistics center has impressive stock capacity, allowing more flexible. It also provides efficient product for 3 countries which are Germany, Australia, and Switzerland. Next, logistics at Singapore. L'Oreal opened new infrastructure at Singapore. The function of logistics place, they have a high density stock, design maximize reliability and space optimization. Beside that, DHL supply chain. As we know, DHL supply chain is the world's largest contract logistics provider. L'Oreal chose DHL company to in charge their shipping, transporting product from L'Oreal distribution center by using lorry, aircraft, and van. Last for logistics is Mohibi Logistics. Mohibi Logistics is specialist service for fast-moving consumer goods product. Mohibi cover every supply chain from origin management until last mile delivery of L'Oreal. And for the warehouse, L'Oreal use Code UK warehouse to put their product in stock. Code warehouse provide ESFR sprinkler system was supposed to protect the structure. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Durga Rajendran. My matric number is B0619100288. Today I would like to talk about the distributor. The main distributor of L'Oreal is Lim Soon Huat Agency, which is ALSH. They work with top local and international manufacturers to provide leading brand that will help your company to flourish. They are also specialized in distributing a wide range of consumer packaged goods across several categories, including health, beauty, cosmetic, food and beverage, and household products. The next is manufacturing. L'Oreal main manufacturing company is in France. L'Oreal manufactures a wide range of consumer and luxury goods for sale in pharmacies and other retail outlets, including hair care, skin care, sun protection, makeup, and fragrance. The company also has a professional product division that manufacture products sold exclusively in beauty salons. Thank you.
The adjustment of the supply chain that will help to lower the cost or increase efficiency. Number 1. Focus on the customer. L'Oreal's supply chain structure and strategy, the needs of their clients should be at the forefront of their thinking. Follow policy and system that contradict the requirement of their client. L'Oreal will provide the solution that they want and be more efficient as business if they focus on their client by offering options such as next day delivery or unlimited free shipping with a paid monthly membership. Number 2, supply chain strategy. Create an efficient supply chain strategy to help L'Oreal shape their objective and become more effective. The performance of L'Oreal supply chain should be regularly assessed to ensure that they fulfill and stay up to their client requirement. The following criteria must be met by an effective strategy. First, be clearly documented and understood. Second is involves all areas of the company, like sales and marketing, research and develop, purchasing, manufacturing and logistics. Third is address and resolve customer dissatisfaction case to provide recurrence. Fourth, meet the need of the customer and the business. Fifth is be clear and precise to allow for quick decision and improvement. The third is make better use of the space. It costs stock and supplies to store at their warehouse, so L'Oreal must use this space to maximize it. If the inventory can be reorganized, L'Oreal will find that they can save money and make their space more efficient. Fourth is sales and operation planning. For the supply chains to operate at its highest efficiency, sales and operational planning (SOP) are required. The team eliminate waste and redundancy in works with a 3PL provider help their plan best through the analysis and predictions of data and improve visibility so all involved are up to date. In the SOP process where available, the following problems should be addressed. First is uncontrolled SKU generation, frequency and unrestrained stock out. The third is commonly inaccurate forecast. Fourth is high quantity of the slow moving or obsolete inventory. Fifth is consistently adjusting demand and production includes due to the issue. Fifth is supply chain network design. The network design of a supply chain reduce costs and make handling of the product more reliable. Each touch point between the provider and customer increase costs and the risk of mistake and product being damaged. A A malformed network can result in the too many stock site and inadequate use of their distribution site. This leads to high in distribution costs and poor service for customers. To revise the design of their supply chains network, special software and analysis can be expensive and confusing to manage on their own. It saves work with a 3PL partner for that reason again. Lorians have the expertise and software. They have the software and experience to solve the problem through an effective plan.
Okay, next slide. Move supplies faster. A 3PL provider can help they find way to accelerate supplier shipment to that they can order nearer if they need item. Second, if ineffectiveness lead to ordering beforehand, they are able to incur storage cost because when customer order this item, they will need space to store them. Third, they sit around in the warehouse, they risk losing or damaging stock. Fourth, L'Oreal can shorten the time it takes for them to receive item from their supplier to carry out customer order when outsourcing their store and distribution. Next is automation. Automation can help they lower supply chain costs and improve their operation. Next slide is utilizing asset. Assessing L'Oreal asset and used to find areas to improve is one of the easiest ways to improve the performance of their supply chain. Supply chain are difficult systems, so it is essential for efficiency to be improved and errors to be reduced. Then, track measure performance. L'Oreal will then follow up with their result to reduce their supply chain costs. Second, observation of their key performance indicator, which is KPI, helps them to identify realistic objective and to take trackable steps toward this objective. Third, listing tracking will also help them predict base, logistic and inventory renewal accurately.
Strengths in the SWOT analysis of L'Oreal. First, a variety of beauty and cosmetic products. Second, high quality of products. Third, transitioning to a more natural state. Fourth, infinite research. Weaknesses in the SWOT analysis of L'Oreal. First, saturation is increasing. Second, profit margins are shrinking. Third, divisions that are slow. Fourth, other big cosmetic companies are putting up a fight. Opportunities in the SWOT analysis of L'Oreal. First, expansion of the industry. Second, new item for a specific market. Third, demand for organic products. Fourth, increasing market share. Traits in the SWOT analysis of L'Oreal. First, the cosmetics business advanced at a breakneck pace. Second, cash flow is tricky. Third, in the cosmetic industry, there is increasing rivalry.